Gimana Bapak?
Ya, ini
Siapa namanya?
Budi.
Pak Budi.
Ya, di rest area Gubuk Langkah Poncokusumo.
Oh ya, luar biasa. Ini Bapak akan ngantar kita untuk keliling, untuk lihat Bromo, kawah, dan tempat-tempat yang lain, yang objek wisata yang ada di sini. Oke Bapak,
Ya.
luar biasa.
Terima kasih.
So guys, here we are. We are going to visit Bromo, which is one of the most beautiful spots I've been to. It's different every time we come here. Now we are going by jeep because you can't go by your private car, and visit this active volcano in East Java next to the city of Malang. And so let's go for this trip and see what we're gonna discover. Alright guys.
Dimakan boleh Bu, apa Bu? Ini ada kok. Ya. Biasanya kalau belum makan buah apel itu apa perutnya berdiri.
Tidak Bapak, terima kasih. Jalan kaki. So here we have to walk for about 3 km all the way to the volcano, because the parking lot is not going all the way to next to the mountain, and so they try to get us on horses, but felt like walking. And here we are on our way up, all the way to the volcano of Mont Bromo. Halo Bapak. Sayang? So, good climb? Yeah, trekking.
Kuyanya sampai ini.
Selamat siang.
Oh, selamat siang.
Selamat
Ya
siang.
Bapak.
Pedungmu parang di pedung tang-ting kayu.
Kayu dijat anu.
Ikan beran. Musikin.
Dari bawah.
Hey guys, this is Mont Bromo. So how was it? Nice climb? It's worth it, yeah? Look at this thing.
It's really tired.
Yeah, but look at it. It's incredible.
So here we are. This is really one of my favorite spots. It's safe and easy to come, and also it's just so spectacular. It really shows you the power of the earth, you know. And every time I come here, I've been here many times, and it's just like makes me quite emotional. It's just pristine and very beautiful. It's it won't be the last time I'll be here, that's for sure.
He's a
Keep walking.
climber. Mountain climber.
Nanti ada di Herling Adventure.
Kapan? Bayunya sore 400. Bisa nayang di sore sini. Terus Indo kayak.
Saya kasih uang aja deh, Mas.
Naik. Sekarang udah janji, tinggal janji. Naik.
Lompat. Pakai tenaga.
Masa nggak kuat?
Terus langkah.
Ya. Wah.
Aduh, kakiku lagi satunya.
Iya.
Udah masuk ini, neken aja. Nah, pegangan ini.
So she's never been on a horse before. This is the first time,
Nanti aja.
and we promised the horse guy to that we were going to use his services. So here she goes.
Oke aja, nggak apa-apa. Nggak mungkin lagi.
Makan dulu.